Hey guys, welcome to blogOponics, where I experiment with everything hydroponics. Alright, so today I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way you can sprout your seeds in this little Rockwool cube. You can get Rockwool in all kinds of different sizes. This one happens to be an 1.5 inches. You can get them an inch, you can get them 6 inches, you can get them huge. But today we're just going to start some parthenocopic, I can't say that word, it is the hardest word ever to say, cucumbers. So basically what that means is they don't have male and female flowers. They kind of self-pollinate like peppers or tomato plants. So recently I've been growing that regular pickling cucumber plant back there. The problem with that is I have to hand pollinate every single cucumber. I'm not really into doing that. I want something a little bit easier. So I decided I'd try out these hybrids and see how they go. So let's give it a shot. So first thing we want to do, we got a little container of water here, just regular tap water. I haven't pH balanced it or anything. My pH on my water is usually about 7.1. So all we're going to do is take this, drop it in there, and let it set for a minute, soak up some water. Just kind of flip it around a little bit because this container is not, it doesn't submerge all the way. It would eventually suck all the way up through there, but that just kind of speeds it up. So now what we want to do, and I just bought these little plastic seed starter things off Amazon, but you could really use anything you wanted. In the past I've used takeout dishes to do this in. So anything that you can set it in there, make a little humidity dome. You could even cover it with a Ziploc bag or anything you wanted to keep the humidity in. So now that this has sucked up the water, we're going to go ahead and take it, put it in there, and then what we want to do is just dump a little, that's probably good enough there, a little water in the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Now I'm going to put 3 seeds in this Rockwool because I don't want to waste the Rockwool if one of the seeds doesn't sprout. So I already poked one in here. All I got is the end of a little paintbrush. And all I'm going to do is take this and kind of make a little hole there. And another one. Alright. These are the seeds I'm going to be using. Puccini? I don't know. I'm not very good at pronouncing stuff. So we're just going to take the seed and drop one in each hole, and then just close her back up. You don't even really have to close it up if you want. I like to, but it's just personal preference. There we go. Second one. And our third one. Alright, now we got those in there. We got a little water on the bottom there to help with the moisture in the dome. And now what we want to do, I'm just going to move this out of the way actually because I don't want it right here at the entrance to my tent. But I'm going to set it up here. And then I'm going to take a little plastic lid that comes with it and just set that right over the top. And that'll just with all the lights on in here and the temperature, it's just going to make a nice humid environment for those to sprout. Hopefully all of them will sprout, and then I can thin them out and pick the best one. In the winter time, it's not usually warm enough in the tent to get good sprouts, especially if you're doing something like peppers. So I use a seed starting mat in here with it during that time of the year to do it. So, and then hopefully, you can see here, these are habanero peppers that I'm going to be doing a video on probably tomorrow or the next day, and that's what it'll look like in a few days. So if you got any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or let me know what you're doing in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Or check out blogOponics.com for more information about hydroponics. Thank you.